Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will share with you a very quick and easy spring onion pancake recipe. It takes less than 10 minutes with a standing mixer, and I also talk about some important tips with this recipe at the end of this video. By the way, I've made a video of 10 tips to make your KitchenAid mixer more efficient. If you are interested, feel free to go and check my last video. Let's dive in. Here are the proportion of all the ingredients for spring onion pancake. Some flours, water, spring onion, and some seasonings. Add 120 grams of flour and 2.5 grams of baking powder. Pour in 140 grams of warm water. You can pop it in the microwave for about 30 seconds before that. Give it a pre-mixing and scrape the edge. Oh, sorry, forget the sugar. Give it a sprinkle of cane sugar. Starting at stir and gradually increase to speed 6. During the mixing time, grab 2 pieces of spring onions, slice and dice. At this point, the batter should be smooth and creamy. Take up the bowl. A teaspoon of sea salt, a teaspoon of cumin powder, a tablespoon of sesame seeds. If you like a little crunchy, feel free to add more. And toast in some chopped spring onion. Give it a rough mixing. And pour it into a bag. Heat the pan to high heat. Drizzle some olive oil. Swirl it around. Then turn down the heat. Quickly cut out the edge of the bag. Squeeze the batter and draw the circle from the outside to the inside. Cover the lid, then turn the heat to medium high. Then set a timer to 2 minutes. 2 minutes later, quickly drizzle some more oil, flip it over, cover the lid, then let it fry for another 2 minutes. That's it. Smells so good, and all you need is less than 10 minutes. Perfect breakfast with tea.
水流对角对角很不溜。
It's fluffy and definitely delicious. Tip 1. If you prefer to use yeast rather than baking powder, reduce the portion to 1% compared to flour. And you probably need to wait for about 3 hours since it's winter now. Tip 2. If you'd like to make small ones, that's fine as well. But if you pour all the batter into the pan and use a spatula to flatten it down, your pancake will come out too firm. So I don't recommend this. Tip 3. It's a basic flavor of spring onion pancake, and if you like, feel free to add some mixed sausages or bacons. I just do not want too much processed food, so I'm okay with this basic version. Hope you like it and give me a thumbs up. See you next time.